Hi everyone, it's Christine with 20 Minute Manicure by Christine, and it's Thursday, and guess what I received in the mail today? I got my April Color Play box. What is Color Play? Color Play is Color Street's monthly subscription box, and it comes in the mail mid-month, and you never know what's going to be inside of it. Usually there's a theme. I didn't catch what the theme was this month, so I'm not even sure what it is. But it comes every month. In Canada, it's about, price went up, it's about $52, $53. No additional shipping charges, which is really nice. And you can cancel anytime, or if you don't like the idea of the theme, you can cancel just for a month. Whatever you wish. So if you're interested in trying it out, just go on my Color Street site, and under subscriptions at the top, you'll see a drop down and you can sign up for it. Like I said, cancel anytime if you wish, okay? What I like about it is I have so many nail strips. I don't know what to wear anymore. Everything, oh, I want to do this, I want to do that. Oh, and I can't make up my mind, okay, literally. So I like this because it's a surprise, and there's enough in here to keep me in Manny's for the full month. Let's check it out, okay? So I've already ripped it open. And first thing, so the box always comes with a pamphlet, and so the theme this month was New Wave. Hey, those of us who grew up in the 80s, lots of fun. Okay, so New Wave. Okay, so they're taking a play on wave. Okay, so I'm seeing lots of pastel colors, so let's just see what we got in here. So you always get a full strip of something, and here it is. Oh, there's a couple. Okay, so the first one is called Vanilla Mix. It's literally like the color of vanilla. It's a very, very neutral with a hint of pink. It's kind of like a light toffee nut. Toffee nut is one of my favorite solid colors right now because anything can go on top of it. The next full set of strips, so that means 2 sets of 8 strips, is called Topsy Turvy, and it's an overlay, and so that means it's clear with this black. It's like a scribbles, like scribbly marks over top. All right, then we get into 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 pastel. I wouldn't call them neon. I'd say they're darkish, but they're pastel. They're still soft, and it's 4 sets. But what's unique about all of these is the strips are perforated down the center, and that's making a wavy line, a pattern. So each strip is actually 2 nail strips, okay? Because they're meant to be split in half, and they have like a squiggly wavy line. Really on trend right now with nail designs where you have like a wavy type of line on your nail. So there's Strawberry Swirl, which I would say looks to me like strawberry ice cream. There is Mauve Waves, which is a beautiful mauve purple. I hope you guys can see it because my reflection is not good on my laptop. This is a lime green. It's called Lime Twist. It's really pretty. And then Cantaloupe, color Cantaloupe. All right. So I guess the intention, so when they give you the brochure, they give you ideas on how to make different looks. So, and they tell you which nail strips to use to make that look. So it's a great way to start playing with mixed manis, especially when maybe you're not too confident as to where to begin or which nail strips would go with what. So basically, from what I can see here, the various goes from everything. I think everything has Vanilla Mix as the base, and then either 1 strip per nail, or sometime another different mani has 2 different colors wiggly strips applied to a single nail, And then also the third example they're giving is all different color strips. So each fingernail has a different color strip of the wavy on top of the vanilla mix with the topsy-turvy overlay on top. Very, very pretty. You always get a gift with Color Street's Playbox as well. Oh, isn't it cute? And what they're giving away this month is this cute little, it's like a little change purse, and it says Make Waves, Color Street. So what you'll be seeing me doing probably this month is taking nail fees with this pouch in my hand because it advertises Color Street. It's cute, it's little, and it's a great way to show off my manicure and images. So that's what is in the box today. If you got any questions about it, feel free to ask me anytime. The other thing I wanted to talk to you guys about is, and I've mentioned it on some posts, but I've revamped my website. So I've gone with a different provider, which now allows me to post my inventory on my website. So what that means for you guys is you no longer have to, or your options are no longer buying from Color Street directly or asking me to place a bulk order once a week. Now, if you want a set of nails, you can just go on my website, 20minutemanicure.ca, and you can shop my personal inventory. I've got like over 100 sets of nails. So let's say it's Thursday and you're doing something special this weekend and you want a really pretty spring type nails. Oh, what am I going to do? Just go on my site, pick something out. If it's on the site, it's in stock, and purchase it. And you can either come pick it up from me, or we can make arrangements, I can deliver it, whatever. Or if you are out of town, I can just mail it to you, okay? If you order 4, I'm still gonna honor the buy 3, get 1 free, so that's still an option for you. And also I have some nail supplies. So I have the Color Street strengthener, I have cuticle oil, I have nail polish remover, I have hand cream. What I do not have yet is any of the cheek and blush and highlighter makeup yet. And I do have a couple of lipsticks, which I haven't posted yet, but I could post them, as well as lip liners. Okay, so let me know what you think of my site. The first person who buys from my site, because I need someone to test it and see if it actually works, first person who buys something on my site will get a special gift from me. And also, in a couple of days, I have a draw. I had said last month that I was having a draw on April 15th. Anyone who does a buy 3, get 1 free from me in the past, I think it worked out to be 6 weeks. It started at the beginning of March, would win a free gift. And so I'll be drawing for that, and I'll be coming back live for that one. So if you got any questions about anything, please feel free to reach out to me. And I would say that I will do a new mani with my Color Play box, but I am currently wearing Waterfall's Edge, which is absolutely beautiful. Really matches my top really well today. I put this on Sunday. I have 0 wear and tear. Nothing. Like, it's perfect mani. I do have an additional set of this in my inventory if anyone is interested. So thanks again for all your support, and I'm always around if you got questions about nails. Okay, we'll talk to you guys later. Bye.